Welcome to the Wellness Connection. I'm Dr. Mark LeMay.
And I'm Michelle LeMay. And in honor of June being National Fruit and Vegetable Month, woohoo! We have a yummy fruit and vegetable salad recipe for you.
So if that sounds interesting, stay tuned.
Welcome to another episode of the Wellness Connection. We are glad you're here. And before we forget, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our episodes in the future.
Yes, and so today we're going to be making one of our favorites, right, Michelle?
Yes, it's called the ABC salad. And because it is Fruits and Vegetable Month, why would we want to do this salad?
Well, yeah, because I always tell my patients you should have twice as much vegetables as fruits. So basically this is a great combination because the A stands for apples, then it's B is for beets, and C is for carrots. So it's like you've got twice as much vegetables as fruits in this one, which is perfect for everybody. So
yeah,
let's show them how we do it, Michelle.
Okay, and then we'll chit-chat a little bit at the end and tell you all the awesome benefits of eating this salad.
Exactly. So we'll see you in a little bit.
Mm-hmm. See, I told you it was quick and easy.
It is. This is a really simple recipe. And the nice thing about it is, here's some of the benefits you're going to get from eating this type of salad. So the apples, because it's got pectin, because you're not taking off the skin, that's really great fiber for the gastrointestinal tract, for the gut bacteria in here. Because you have 2 to 3 pounds of bacteria in your gut. You want to keep them nice and healthy, and the pectin will do that. Now the beets, this is my favorite. I mean, I put this in my shakes all the time, not just in salads. But beets are great for your liver, and it's also for helping to cleanse the colon, so small and large intestines.
Oh yeah.
And it's got fiber in it too. Okay. Mm-hmm. So the next one again is carrots. Now carrots is beta carotene, and also more fiber in there. So again, the beta carotene is very soothing for the digestive tract. Whenever somebody has diarrhea, I tell them to eat carrots. It will stop the diarrhea when you do that. So this is a beautiful salad, very simple, and it's also got
fat because you're adding good mayo, and there's a lot of different choices that you can do for that.
Yep, and get a good organic mayo. Mm-hmm. Okay, that'll really be good for that. So that's good for you too. And then of course we put cinnamon in there. Cinnamon is really good for people who are pre-diabetic or diabetic. So cinnamon has a lot of benefits for diabetics and pre-diabetic people. Mm-hmm. So this is, like I said, this is simple salad, really yummy. So are we going to eat any of it right now?
I think we should do a taste test.
Okay, let's do that. So here's the salad.
Clink.
Clink. That was a little loud.
Sorry.
So, again, it's very colorful, too. It's a very colorful salad.
As you could tell by before.
We made this for our Patient Appreciation Barbecue. Mm-hmm. It disappeared.
Yes.
Gone.
Everybody loved it. And the cool thing about this recipe is most of the time when people don't like beets, kind of like me.
True.
The whole idea of putting raw beets in their salad and eating it kind of turns people off and kind of scares them away from this recipe. but they kind of like had to sort of eat this recipe at the barbecue, and everybody was like, wow, that's an amazing recipe. That tastes so good. I want the recipe.
It's sweet. I mean, it literally tastes like apple pie almost to me because of the cinnamon and the apples in there. So you really don't even notice hardly the carrots or the beets in there.
Exactly.
At all.
And when you think about it, beets are sweet, apples are sweet, carrots are sweet.
Yep.
So you've got a nice sweet salad.
That's cool for summertime.
Yes.
So it's a very good one to have. So
Absolutely.
you got to try this, gang. Try this. I think you'll be like really surprised because almost every one of my patients says the same thing. It's like, oh my gosh, I didn't really know how good this was going to taste. This tastes really good.
Yeah. Yeah. So it's a great way to get all these wonderful nutrients in a
Raw state too.
raw state. Exactly. So
Which-
anyway, hope you like this recipe.
Yeah.
And again, be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell.
Give us likes out there, so give us some thumbs up and give us some comments down below. So when you try this one, tell us what you thought of it too. I'd really like to hear your opinion on it too. And if you have any favorite raw food salads that you'd like to share too, please put those in there too. We'd like to hear from you guys too.
Absolutely. So, well, I guess that wraps up another episode of the Wellness Connection.
Yes, it does.
We look forward to seeing you next time.
See you next time, gang.
Bye.
Bye-bye.